Today I'm going to unpack a Grizzly Lathe. Came packaged pretty good. Let's see if we can take a look inside here. This is a Grizzly wood lathe, model G0462, variable speed wood lathe. It came palletized. It was wrapped with 1/2-inch plywood, very well put together. Everything was neatly packaged inside. The legs were fastened together to each other, and some of the hardware was in between the rails below the bed of the lathe. The lathe itself was bolted to the floor of the pallet and gave it a lot of stability. I took the motor off and set it aside, tried to make this bed a little bit lighter if I could. After I got the legs in place, I needed some help lifting the bed up on top of the legs. It came with all the tools that I needed to put this thing together. The tool rest was a 3-piece unit. And the last thing to do was to set it in place. This does have the safety switch, so you can pull the yellow tab out, and we're not going to have kids get caught up in it. So we got everything set up, ready to go, and just before we started, I got a notice that some of the pieces have a recall on them, so I didn't use it for several months. They did go ahead and send replacement parts, and they just came in. One of the replacement parts is a new faceplate. So apparently they was having some trouble with the faceplate. So this one here looks a little bit different as far as the length of the shaft where it hooks onto. Everything else is looking pretty good. So we do have a new faceplate they sent. They also sent a different tool rest setup. The tool rest looks about the same on the top part. The bottom part is changed a little bit. The shaft where it goes down into the holder is a little bit longer, so I'm guessing that's where the problem was with that. And the arm that it hooks into has really been beefed up. So instead of having this, I don't know if you can tell, we have a piece that comes down, then the adjustable arm moves sideways. This one is a lot heavier piece, and when I put it on here, I'll be able to pivot this around to wherever it goes. So let me put that on and we'll see what that looks like. Okay, this looks a lot more solid than what we had before. This is the old piece, so we'll see what we can do with that. This piece looks a lot more solid. It's going to be easy to adjust and get my tool height, everything the way that it should be. So, this is the Grizzly Lathe, and hopefully we can get a project or two started in the next month or two. Got a few projects lined up, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you on the next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.